Preparedness Tips with Cathy Haynes.
Emergency transportation, pickup points. If an evacuation is ordered and you do not have transportation, buses will be provided to take you from the Blue Hurricane bus stop signs to the nearest available shelter. If you have pets or if you are disabled, you can call the Charleston County Public Information Line at 843-746-3900. The Charleston County Public Information Line is only manned during the emergency. You can find this information and more in the Charleston County Hurricane Guide at www.charlestoncounty.org and look for the link to Hurricane Guides.